Good morning, children. Yes, that online classes we had started about the moon, and I had told you about the moon. Exactly, because we see what we see in the nature. I had told you, and about we know about the sun, the stars. Okay, the moon. We know full moon, and that is what you'll call the Purnima and all. We know that, but little more we will learn about the moon. That moon has many names. For example, in Romans called it as Luna. Okay, there are many names are there. So one name I will just tell you, that it's the moon. It's called Luna. Then it does not. Moon does not make. Little about moon, that moon does not make its own light. Okay, does not make its own light. It can only reflect. Okay, it reflect light. Then I thought of showing the only the video, but you will not see in my uploaded video because it's a copyright. So whenever, and we will be doing lot of activities with this lesson, that we want lesson number 2, we want the moon. So the moon, as I was telling, the moon does not make its own light. Okay, it does not make its own light. It only reflect the light. Okay, then we see the light. What we see the light during the night, that reflected of the moon from the sun. We see that from the reflected from the sun. Then the moon has actually no atmosphere. It doesn't have the weather also. So then it is said that the moon is about 4.5 billion years old. See, millions, billions, lakhs, crores, million, billions is old. It is said the moon is about 4.5 million billion. Okay, billion, billion, billion years old. So it is orbiting around the earth at the speed. It has a speed per hour. We will see that is 2288. That day also I told you, but the things didn't go. So, and the surface of the moon is flat. Okay, so the moon is 250 miles from the earth. Okay, it takes 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes and 11.6 seconds to orbit the earth. Okay, so this if I tell you all little, just like to give you won't understand, because if we sit explaining and knowing more in a science way, so it will we are actually learning English, right? So we won't be doing, just little idea what moon is and all. Okay, doesn't it has only, it doesn't make its own light, it only reflects. So there, then we can see the changes of moon. This changes of moon, we call it as the phases of moon, because this you keep in the mind. The moon, what we see, the part of the moon, we can see changes. We can see half, like then one semicircle, so many types of moons you see in the night. Every day you see different shapes. So this, what that changes every day you see, it is called the changes, the phases of moon. Okay, then the first phase of the moon is called new moon. Okay, the first moon. So we will in science you will learn, that is in 3rd standard, about moon. You will learn lot about them. Then we have many activities that we will do with the next video, which I'll be showing online only, with activity, nice activity we will be doing, because there, but I don't know when we are starting this. At least 4 classes I have taken, but the recording, or we didn't have the internet, so we didn't start. So let us start. We want the moon. Here, before warm up, here, have you seen the moon at night? I asked you. Yes, we have all seen. Okay, then is the moon of the same size all night? No, because I said the changes of that moon, the shapes, it's called the phases of moon. So it has different shapes. So then here you match the shapes of the moon with their names. Half moon is there, full moon is there, then new moon is there. Then look at the moon tonight, okay, write its name and draw its shapes. So whatever you see, you can draw this shapes here, which is they have given in your book, okay. Then let us read the story about two sisters who want to bring the moon to their garden, okay. Here two sisters are there, that is Shivi and Kavi are sisters. They live with their family in a beautiful town called Sundarpur. Now this is village, this town is called Sundarpur, and the two sisters live, that is Shivi and Kavi. So one evening, you know, the name of the place you have, what is Sundarpur. So one evening Shivi and Kavi were playing in the garden. The tall trees in the garden swayed in the breeze and twinkled stars began to appear in the sky. It became dark soon and a big white full moon came up. Everything looked bright, okay. It is just describing the atmosphere of their garden, how the garden is like. They were playing in the garden and they saying the tall tree where it is in the garden saved in the breeze, means it breezed, it's giving that breeze, and twinkling stars began to appear in the sky. So they are playing at evening, no one there. So as 6:30, 7 o'clock, you see the stars in the sky, they appear, you know, so they start twinkling. Then it became dark soon. When you see evening, how sun sets, okay, morning is sunrising, by evening the sun sets and it becomes little dark and you see the stars, okay, they appear in the sky and it becomes dark, you know, evening time it becomes dark around 7 o'clock, okay. Then you can see there, not every day, while here they are seeing big white full moon came up, okay, full moon came up. So everything looked bright. When full moon is there, you feel the atmosphere, you see there bright. So we can come to know it is too very bright comparing to other phases of moon. The other day, every day, what moon, maybe half moon or crescent moon and all is there. We will learn that phases, how many types are there by doing the activity. So when full moon is there, everything is bright. So the sisters looked up at it. How beautiful the moon looks, they said happily. Now we see and we observe the twinkles, we try to count, but can we count the stars? We can't count the stars, we can't count the stars. So here they looked up at it and the beautiful moon they see, and they say, look, when we see something, when we see the sun, okay, we can't see directly the sun, but moon we can see. Why can here? Because the sun shines so brightly, the light which affects, we can't see it directly, it harms the eyes also, but moon we can see. Then I wish we could bring it here in our garden, said Shivi. How can we do that? Asked Kavi. The moon is very, very far from us, she added. Okay, here Shivi, you know, everyone, chalo main Suraj Chanda leke aata hu. You know, we all have that. We will bring the moon. We will go to the stars. Then someone our stars. We see our ancestors are there, our elders are there. So we all imagine, you know, that is our thinking. So here even she is also wishing, she is wishing that they can bring the moon to their garden. Okay, I wish we could bring it here in our garden, said Shivi. How can we do that? Asked Kavi. She was curious, you know. Shivi said, wish we could. Then how can we do that? Kavi is asking. The moon is very, very far from us, she added. You know, that is what I told you, how far the moon is. How far the moon is, I told you. And that the moon, I said, you know how far it is, the 100 miles from the earth, and it takes 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes and 11.6 to orbit the earth. So you imagine the moon, the satellite and all, like the star, can we get? No, it is just an imagination. But how here, see here, we will go, it is very interesting. Can we do that? The moon is very very far from us. I told you how far it is, right? She added, ma'am, I think grandma can do it. You know, the so Shivi and Kavi are how who are there now living with the family. So here the character grandma is there. So a very very important character in this lesson, that is grandma of Shivi and Kavi. I think grandma can do that. If we really want the moon, we should ask her, said Shivi. Now who said and who said Shivi and Kavi? Who said? You should remember those sentences. Okay, they both jumped in excitement. Grandma, grandma, they called out loudly. Grandma came out of the house and said, yes, my little girl, what is the matter? Grandma look at the moon, said Shivi, pointing towards it. Yes, grandma smiled. Looking up, it is beautiful. You know, moon is beautiful, right? Silver color, you know, we see, and that bright when full moon is there, it looks obviously beautiful. Dark and that shine what we see of moon, it looks beautiful. So here when they go, they wanted to get there. Shivi and Kavi are sisters. They live with their family in the beautiful town, beautiful called Sundarpur. And one evening they were playing in the garden. They see the stars appear in the sky, and it became soon. Then the white moon, full moon came up. Then everything looked bright. Then the two sisters, they looked at the beautiful moon. They said to see how beautiful the moon looks. They said happily, and they wanted the moon to. That's their wish, like to get the moon in their garden. So here they, how can we do that? So the sister Kavi asked, how can we do that? Then we can ask grandma to do. So they call grandma. They thought grandma can get the moon. So they really wanted to ask her how she will get. So they called grandma, and the grandma came a little with the happiness and asked what it is. Then look at the moon, grandma. They say, look at the moon. Then grandma sees at the moon. Look, they said, look at the moon. Then she smiled. Yes, it's beautiful. Looking up in the sky, she said, it is beautiful. So here, the children, the both sisters asked, grandma, we want the moon here in our garden. Will you please help us to get it down? Asked Kavi. So they are asking grandma that they want the moon in their garden. Okay, in their garden. So will you please, they are asking her, can you get the moon down, get it down? So we'll see in the next class how grandma gets the moon into the garden, and how grandma will do that, we will see in the next class. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.